What is your name?
My name is Elin Rai.
How old are you?
My 31 years old.
How many your education?
My education is pass.
And how many your family member?
My family member is three, one son, one wife.
What is your experience?
My experience, electrician, 6 years old experience in Nepal.
Yes.
Photo
Done.
It's a knife. Boy, pause it. Yes. This is a clipping tool. Wire clipping. Combination plier. This is a combination plier. This is a screw. Pause it.
सन्जोगको निसार लागिहाल्छ कि है त्यो केटा कहाँ छ त्यो केटालाई यहाँ कहाँ जानु पऱ्यो भनेर डिमान्ड आउँछ किन बडी बनाउने भन्दा त्यो बडी बनाउने
Xe này rồi mới lên.
यहाँ मान्छेलाई कस्तो केसले हान्दा थाहा मान्छेलाई कस्तो गाह्रो भन्ने साथी
Xin gửi nhiều gồm